we have some breaking inputs coming in. We have been told that a team of the National Commission for Women is on the spot at the moment, and the team is reviewing the situation on ground. Mohit Om can perhaps share more information with us. Visuals coming in as well on the screen. The SDM wants the authorities and others to look into the quality of water. They suspect quality of water could be a reason. 13 deaths in 20 days, and overall, if you look at the figure, 27 deaths have been reported so far. A probe has been ordered. We have some reactions coming in as well. BJP has pinned the blame on Aam Aadmi Party government and has asked, where is the fund from the centre going?
सरकार ने जो अपराध किया है कि इस पूरे मामले को दबाने की कोशिश की है, उस पर हमारा रोष है। ये मौतें नहीं, ये हत्या है। इन मौतों की जिम्मेदार, इस हत्या की जिम्मेदार केजरीवाल सरकार है। उनकी लापरवाही है, उनका भ्रष्टाचार है, क्योंकि इस रिपोर्ट ये आ रही है कि कुपोषण के कारण बच्चे मर रहे हैं। सवाल तो ये है कि जो लाखों करोड़ों रुपया आशा किरण के लिए और बाकी तमाम इस तरह के केंद्रों के लिए जो पैसा सरकार दे रही है होम के लिए, वो कहाँ जा रहा है?
Now, Asha Kiran is a government-run facility in the national capital for people with mental health problems. 13 deaths in 20 days have been reported. Atishi responded to this. She said it's very shocking to hear this news from the capital city of Delhi and that such lapses will not be tolerated. In fact, the minister also said that the ACS, Additional Chief Secretary Revenue, is directed to immediately initiate a magisterial inquiry into the entire matter and also submit a report on the same within 48 hours. So, inquiry has been ordered. The BJP, meanwhile, is hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party government, asking where is all the fund that is coming in from the centre going? Now, this is a facility that is run by the Delhi government where people with mental health problems live. In any which case, such people need special care and attention. And we are now given to understand, according to the SDM as well, probe has been ordered to look at whether there was a problem with the quality of water that was being supplied. Delhi Revenue Minister Atishi has directed the Additional Chief Secretary to submit a report now within 48 hours. We have Shehzad Poonawalla joining us on the broadcast. Shehzad Poonawalla, this of course is a government-run facility in the national capital where people who have mental health problems live. They need special care and attention. But in this case, what we're witnessing is that several lives have been lost.
You know, Swati, this is the most shocking story that we have just recovered from the 10 deaths that took place, the basement deaths, the deaths of waterlogging, and now 14 more lives have been lost. This is a maut wali sarkar. Aam Aadmi Party is maut wali sarkar, and it is distributing only free mein maut. The question is that how can people die like this in a government shelter? It means gross negligence and gross criminal negligence is being done there, that these people have lost their lives. These are people with special needs. They are from 20 to 30 years old, mostly women, mostly minors. The question is that how could such deaths take place? This means there's massive corruption and criminal negligence. I call for the immediate resignation of Atishi ji, and I call for resignation of Chief Minister, because it is because of his negligence that these deaths are happening, whether it's in basement or whether it's in shelter homes.
All right, Shehzad Poonawalla, thank you very much for speaking with us. Shehzad Poonawalla, they're demanding resignation of both Atishi and the Chief Minister of the National Capital, Arvind Kejriwal, as well. Now, this facility that we're talking about is run by the Social Welfare Department. We have Tetri joining us on the broadcast with more details. Tetri, BJP, of course, sitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party government, is seeking resignation of Atishi and the Delhi Chief Minister, also asking where is all the money coming in from the centre, the fund really going?
Well, you see, this particular home shelter, Asha Kiran, this is not for the first time that this home shelter is under scanner. But earlier also this was under scanner in India 2007, 2018, and also before that in 2001 as well. But as of now, yes, in 2011 as well. But yes, as of now, if we talk about the political blame, the political war of words, then yes, BJP is questioning Aam Aadmi Party so as to where are the funds going and why they are not able to provide adequate funds to the home shelter as well. And because, as I mentioned, in 2017 also the same issue was raised up so as to why there are not proper facilities in this particular shelter home and why there are so many deaths being noticed. And now, in fact, if we talk about the number of deaths that we are getting to know in the month of July itself, that is also questionable so as to how in just 1 month, these number of people are dead. So this is questionable, but we'll have to see that how investigation takes place in this particular matter. However, what we are being also told is that the DM is also
Actually, what we're also being told is that since Jan 2024, every month 2 to 3 deaths were being reported. It's only in July, that too the second half of July, that the death count went up. The big question is, why did the authorities wait till the death count went up to look into the matter?
Yes, absolutely. That is the big question, that why the authorities waited till the month of July, because earlier also, if I will read out the data, that what happened in from January to July. So January it was 3 deaths, then February 2 deaths, March 3 deaths, April 2 deaths, May 1 death, and July 3 deaths, and then in July 13 deaths. So overall till now in the year 2024 till date, 27 deaths have been 27 deaths had happened here in this particular shelter home. And if we compare this data from the year 2023 as well, so that data is also not normal. So that is why this particular shelter home is under scanner, and again questions are being raised. And now what we are...
All right, Tetri, stay on with us, because we heard BJP's reaction. Let's also listen into Dilip Pandey of the Aam Aadmi Party, who says a magisterial inquiry has been ordered, and that the moment the report comes out of the inquiry, stringent action will be taken. Listen in.
सरकार के संज्ञान में इस मामले के आते ही तुरंत इस पूरे प्रकरण के मैजिस्ट्रियल जांच का आदेश दिया जा चुका है। सरकार ने पूरी तत्परता दिखाते हुए एक कदम ऐसा उठाया जिससे कि सच्चाई क्या है वो सामने आए। मेरी गुजारिश उनसे भी होगी जिनके कंधों पर इस राष्ट्रीय राजधानी क्षेत्र की कानून व्यवस्था को संभालने का दायित्व है, बोझ है, कि वो भी जो है इस मामले में तत्परता दिखाएं, जांच पड़ताल करें और सच क्या है वो सामने लाएं।
Tetri continues to be with us. Assurances are coming in, Tetri, but questions are also being posed on why this delay in taking action. Why is it that the authorities are waking up only now? Also, the BJP hitting out, questioning the manner in which the facility is being run.
Yes, absolutely. And what we are being also told is that Revenue Minister Atishi has taken the cognizance of this matter, and in fact she has also directed ACS Revenue to initiate a magisterial inquiry and report within 48 hours. And in fact this particular what Atishi has asked to the ACS Revenue is to immediately initiate a magisterial inquiry in this entire matter, and in fact also to recommend action that is to be taken against those whose negligence has caused these deaths, and also recommend suggestive measures to be taken to prevent occurrence of such incidents in the future, is what Atishi has said. Now we'll have to see after this report is submitted in 48 hours as to what was the reason that why this happened, and who will be under scanner, and what action will be taken against those who are responsible for this negligence.
Absolutely. Assurances coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party government that action will be taken once the report is out. We have a reaction coming in from the BJP. Another reaction, isn't it?
देखिए, ये आशा किरण जो दिल्ली सरकार की यूनिट है, जहां पे दिव्यांग लोगों को कहा जाता है कि सरकार की ओर से सहारा दिया जाता है, उनको रखा जाता है, उनकी देखभाल के नाम पे ये पूरा सेंटर चलता है। परंतु ये शेल्टर लगातार यहाँ मौतें हो रही हैं। पूरे 2024 के अंदर यहाँ 27 लोग, 27 बच्चे, 27 दिव्यांगजन खत्म हो चुके हैं, उनकी मौत हो गई है। किस कारण से, क्या दुर्घटना हुई? जुलाई माह के अंदर ही 17 लोग, हमारी जानकारी में 13 तो अखबार में आए हैं, 17 लोग यहाँ पे मर चुके हैं। कारण प्रशासन बता नहीं रहा, एसडीएम की इंक्वायरी क्या कह रही है कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा। खुद गेट बंद करके सभी अधिकारी बैठे हैं, किसी भी व्यक्ति को अंदर जाने की परमिशन नहीं है। हम जो सामाजिक लोग हैं, जनप्रतिनिधि हैं, हमें तक अंदर नहीं जाने दिया जा रहा है। और हम
So multiple political reactions coming in. BJP hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party government, at the administration, questioning where's the money that is coming in from the centre going. Also slamming the Chief Minister and Atishi, seeking resignation of both Atishi and the Chief Minister of the National Capital. Now since Jan 2024, according to reports, every month 1, 2 or 3 deaths have been reported. It was only the month of July that the number of deaths saw a sharp increase. 13 deaths have been reported in just 20 days, and the total number of deaths at this facility has been reported at 27. Listen to the reaction coming in from the SDM, who has also taken note of the incident.
वर्मा, SDM रोहिणी, आपको ये जानकारी जरूर देना चाहूँगा कि ऐसी सूचना मेरे पास भी आई और जिले में जैसे ही इसकी खबर आई तो फिर हम लोगों ने वहाँ से तहकीकात करवाया और पता किया तो ये बिल्कुल सत्य है कि वहाँ जो मृत्यु दर है वो पिछले महीनों और पिछले साल के इसी महीने के कंपैरिजन में वो ज़्यादा हुई है। तो जब हमने इसके बारे में वहाँ के डिप्टी डायरेक्टर से पूछा, जो उसका देखभाल करते हैं, जो इंचार्ज हैं, तो उन्होंने ये बताया कि हाँ, उन्होंने भी एडमिट किया कि संख्या तो ज़्यादा हुई है और लेकिन चूँकि बच्चों के पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट अभी तक नहीं आए हैं तो एग्जैक्ट रीज़न वो लोग नहीं बता पाए और उनका कहना है कि हम पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट की वेट कर रहे हैं। लेकिन चूँकि संभावना है, बरसात का टाइम है, तो पानी में खराबी की संभावना चूँकि बढ़ जाती है तो इमीडिएटली हमने उनको सजेस्ट किया कि आप पानी का जो भी आपके पास वाटर टैंक है उसकी सफाई कर लें और एक्वागार्ड वगैरह चेंज कर लें और बच्चों के खाने पीने को पहले टेस्ट करें और टेस्ट करने के बाद उनको खाना दें, ताकि चूँकि ये पहले से ही वल्नरेबल एक ग्रुप है जो कमज़ोर होता है, इनकी आयु भी कम होती है। तो इन सब चीज़ों पे उन्होंने भी गौर किया और संज्ञान में लिया है। जैसा कि उन्होंने मुझे आज बताया कि पानी के टिंके की सफाई हो गई है और एक्वागार्ड भी चेंज होकर के सारे वहाँ आरओ वो लोग लगा रहे हैं।
सर, आपको कब पता चला था जो ये मौतें हुई हैं और कुछ रीजन पता लगा सर, क्या रीजन रहा है और जो डेथ है कितने साल से कितने साल तक के रहे, बच्चे हैं इसमें या बुजुर्ग है, माइनर है?
नहीं, बुजुर्ग तो वहाँ एक्चुअली कोई होते नहीं, यूजुअली इनकी आयु 40-45 से ज़्यादा हो नहीं पाती है। तो अभी जो डेथ्स हुए हैं ये लगभग ये 15 से 20-25 के बीच के भी हैं और 12-13 के भी एक दो बच्चे हैं। और मतलब हम लोग गेस कर सकते हैं कि ये पानी की खराबी हो सकती है, क्योंकि इस दौरान में ही इसी महीने में ज़्यादा हो गई, बरसात के टाइम पे ही। लेकिन एग्जैक्ट रीजन जब तक पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट ना आ जाए तो ये कहना मुश्किल है।
सर आप
So that was the SDM of Rohini expressing concern about the incident, also confirming the death, saying the exact reason for the deaths is not known. They are waiting for the post-mortem report to reveal more details.